Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, we love to share it. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to always constantly work on improving our processes and to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.